Somebody has to send almonds to our Gigin. He forgets now. So he has to take a lot of almonds now.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much. Hmm? I forget. That's true. Hmm? Agosuma, okay? Oh yeah. Inda. Tade. Ka yata kya. Agosuma, okay? Sa kata ka yata kya. That's it. Okay, that's how you read it. Okay? Hmm? Now here. Ka rata tra. Hmm? Sa kata ka rata tra. Like this. Sa kata ka rata tra. Sha kiku shi sa shi. Trashi. Like this. Okay? Hmm? No meaning. Okay? Just showing how to read. Hmm? Ka ratak tra. Ka ratak tra. Naro tro ma trom. Hmm? Right? Okay? Hmm? Tade ka ratak tra. Sa katak ga ratak dra. Tra. Dra. Like this. You can see the difference. Agosuna. Hmm? Sa katak ga ratak dra naro dro. Like this. Sa katak ga ratak dra naro dro la drill. Ma. Drill ma. Like this. Then when there is a particle, connection particle, delta, then you read sa katak ga ratak dra naru dro la drill ma a kiku e drill me drill me like this, right? For example, nga a kiku e nge like this. Okay. I have noticed that some of us has forget how to read this. So I'm showing this now, one by one. Okay. Then we have a bottom letter, latak. This is very easy. All of them are same. Chikpare, dradang, chikpare. Ka, latak, la. Pa, latak, la. Ka, latak, la. Like this. Okay. Then we have ka, latak, la, kiku, li, nga, ling, ka, lingka, like this. That's how you read it, one by one. You don't read like this. Ka, lata, la, kiku, li, nga, ka. Don't read like this, okay? Ka, lata, la, kiku, li, nga, ling. One dot, put a gap, make the sound, ling. Then add the second sound, ka. Then all together, linka, like this. Okay? That's it. Yabuloson. Tujiche. Oh yeah. Just showing how to read. Okay? Little bit. That's it. That's it. Very good. Yeah, ta inda kasang sulek masong kasang siwat la yomare. Siwat la inda siwat la. Siwat la tashi delek.
다시 들렉 텐슬라.
Tashi delek. Siwat la kerangki ame ming karere.
네, 아메 민 따라래.
Kerang kaparu. Kerang kaparu.
아, 나 나 덴마크 라 예.
That's it. Yangersunga with confident. Kerang
나
kapar
덴마크 라
ye.
예. 나 덴마크 라 예.
That's it. That's it. Dahinda. Kerang ki trokpo kapar yore. Kerang ki trokpo kapar yore.
네 트럭포 덴마크 라 예.
That's it. Europe yanaru yo ranaru parop. Europe la gonpa Europe. Europe la gonpa Europe.
What means gonpa?
Gonpa monastery. Europe la gonpa Europe.
रे 유럽 라 gonpa jöre.
That's it. Europe la gonpa Europe. That's it. Kerang la tep Europe. Kerang la tep Europe. Kerang la tep Europe.
रे tepti
No. The Kerang la tep Europe.
it means is your book or how?
No. Here is la. Do you have book? Do you have book? Kerang la tep Europe.
रे tepla
Okay,
jöre.
no problem. We will do this.
I don't know how to. I don't know. I don't remember how to say. I have.
No problem. Look at here. Turn kerang into nga. Then get
Nga?
rid of pay. That's it. Done.
Nga la tep.
Nga la tep you. That's it.
Nga la tep.
Nga la tep you. Hakosunga. Okay. No worries.
Nga.
We will describe this again. Hakosunga. Okay. That's it. But when you look at the question, more than half answer is in the question. Hakosunga. Turn kerang into nga. Nga la tep you. That's it. I have book. Like this. Okay? That's it. Very good. Then in the Sivarla, Europe la tak tiger. Europe la tak Europe.
Mare. Europe la tak yu mare.
That's it. Tak Mare. That's it. Sogyul la Mongol la yak Europe.
Sogyul.
Sogyul. Mongol.
Sogyul la yak yu re.
That's it. Sogyul la yak Yuri. Like this. Keranki. Okay, that's it. Deepa the Dixon. Tujiche. Siwarla. Tujiche. That's it. Yapulap song. Okay. That in Rodrigo la inda. Rodrigo la. Tashi Delek.
Tashi Delek.
Rodrigo la Tashi Delek. Keranki ame ming karere.
Ame ki Ming Nelre.
That's it. You say Keranki turn into nge. Nge ame ming. Haposunga. Nge ame ming. Ani nel re. Just like. Haposunga nge ame ming nel re. That's it. Can you answer this? Kerang kapar yu.
Kira, nee, Denmark la yu.
Nge mare nga. Nga.
Ne,
Denmark
na,
la yu.
na, Denmark la yu.
That's it. Nga Denmark la yu. Then kerang ki chokpo kapar yuri.
Me trokpo Denmark la yu.
That's it. Denmark la yu or Denmark la yuri. That's it.
La yure. Yeah.
Very good. Now here, Europe la gonpa yurepe. Europe la gonpa yurepe.
Re, Europe la gumpa yure.
That's it. Europe la gonpa yure. That's it. That's it. Tujiche Rodrigo la. Tujiche. Thank you. So, dine kasang suleb mason kasang jekla in the jekla. Jekla tashi delek.
다시 달라.
Jekla keranki ame min karere.
네, 아메 밍 베키웨.
Kerang kapar yu.
nga England 라유.
Keranki chokpo kapar yure.
네,
Po.
족포 덴마크 라유.
That's it. Peo. Europe la gonpa yurepe.
유레, 유럽라 곰파 유레.
That's it. Peo. That's it. That's it. Dainda. Di karire. Di karire.
디 하코마성
Di kushure. Kushu.
쿠슈레.
Kushasha.
디 쿠슈레.
Di karire.
디 쿠슈레.
Kushu di kaparduk.
쿠슈 디 바라 감키니 뚝
Gam ki parladuk. Agosunga younger sunda.
감키 발라.
Kushu di kaparduk.
쿠슈 디 감키 발라뚝.
That's it. Kushu di gam ki nangla duke.
쿠슈 디 감키 낭라 미뚝.
That's it. Gam ki
Kushu.
nangla minduk. That's it. Very good. Tujiche. Tashi delek.
쿠제체.
Oh yeah. Tene wangmola in the wangmola tashi delek.
다시 되네.
Wangmola tashi delek. Wangmola kerang kapar yu.
야, 홍콩 라유.
Ale. Kerang ki chokpo kapar yure.
예, 족보 홍콩 라유래.
Hong Kong la gonpa yure pe.
홍콩 라 근바 유 말해.
Ale. Lasu. Tujiche. Wangmola tujiche.
그래서
That's it. So, yeah. Yapu love song. Marcelo la in the Marcelo la Kasan let mason. Marcelo la Europe la tak Europe.
Yumare, Europe la tak yumare.
Europe la gonpa Europe.
Yure, Europe la gunpa yure.
That's it. Yapu love song. Kushu di kaparduk.
Kushudi gamni parladuk.
That's it. Kamni ki parladuk. That's it. Yapu love song. Tujiche. Okay. Yapu love song. Oh yeah. Rest of us we practiced yesterday. Mare. day before yesterday. So today, now we know this la indicate location, right? For
Sorry,
example,
Tenzin La,
yes, please.
Sorry. I didn't get a chance to practice because I
Allah,
can't attend
Allah.
on.
Really?
Can I? I'm not very good, but I can try.
Okay, Makla imbe, Makla.
All right.
Hola, so Makla inda, Makla inda. Makla, tashi dele, kirang kapar yu.
Na America la ye.
That's it. Na mare, nga.
Na
Mm.
America la ye.
That's it. Oh yeah. Kirang ki chokpo kapar yu re.
Nge chokpo India la ye re.
That's it. India la or Gyakar la. Okay?
Gyakar la.
Yu re. That's
Be.
it. America la gunpa yu re pe.
Re America la gunpa yure.
Yu re. That's it. Okay. That's it. Good enough, Magla. But I suggest you to also practice. Okay? That's it. Tujiche Magla, very brave. Himala said brave. Yes, it's brave. Agozma, no one is perfect. You try, very good. That's it. That's it. Now we know la. La indicates location. Okay? Location, where it is. Europe la, Gang la, Ok la, Chilok la, Nang la. Don't forget this, okay? Chilok la, outside. Nang la, inside. Gang la, top. Ok la, under. Then Europe la, America la, Gyakar la, Sokyul la. How goes on? Okay? Then, now today I will introduce when you say Ngala, tap, you. If you want to write down, please write down. Okay? Ngala, tap, you. Also, we use la. It means I have book. Okay? Ngala, tap, you. That's it. Ngala tap you. Ngala Lamborghini me. Ngala private jet you. Ngala bakbak you. Ngala motor you. Like this. Ngala tropo you. Like this. Okay? That's it. Very good.
So instead of using the verb for having something, you just indicate that it is with you
That's it. That's the thing.
by
In English,
using la.
in English, it will be you have. Okay? That's it. In Tibetan, it's simply location, Akosma, where it is. That's
Okay,
it.
just clarify this.
Tenzin La,
Yes, please.
I forgot the word. What is the word for many?
That's it. Mangpo, manga, mangpa, naropo, mangpo.
Like I want, huh? Mangpo, yes. Okay,
Mangpo.
thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Tunggeshe.
Tujiche, lasso. That's it. Ngala, tap you. Then you can change it to third person. Kongla, tap yuri. Like this. Okay? Kongla, tap yure. Ngala tap yu. That's it. Okay. In the question before I asked here, in the question I asked Europe la tap Europe. Europe la tap Europe. Instead of Europe, I use Kong. It's same. Kong la tap Europe. That's it. Now instead of Kong, I would use second person question. Kerang la tap Europe. Like this. Okay. Kerang la tap Europe. The question. Agosonga siwad la. That's the question. Agosonga kerang la tap Europe. That's it. Then you say ngala tap you. That's it. Agosonga Europe la tap Europe. That's it. Europe la tap Europe. Okay, Agosonga, that's it. The question will be kerang la tap Europe. You. Ngala tap you. Like this. You. Ngala tap you. Like this.
Before you were saying Europe has books.
That's it. Agosonga. Okay, in English will be like this. Agosonga. Okay. That's it. I was also saying Europe has Gonpa. Like this. Europe la Gonpa Europe. Europe la Gonpa Yure. Or Yomare. Europe la Gonpa Yomare. Like this.
And this is in the category of existence.
Yes. And the la simply shows where it exists, okay? But in English, I think it's more difficult. It's like I have, he has, like this. Europe has, like this. Okay? So you can see how this language is made. It's made very beautifully. That's it. Okay? Now if someone asks you, kerang la tap you pay. If you have, you can say you. Ngala tap you. That's it. Kerang la private jet you pay. You can say may. Ngala private jet may. Like this. May. Ngala private jet may. Like this. Okay. That's it. Let's try. Yeah, in the. Yeah, makla in the makla. Makla. Kerangla motorbike you pay.
Mare nga
Ngala.
ngala. Oh yeah, ngala motorbike mare.
May here may opposite of you. It's may. Hagosunga yangarinda.
Ngala motorbike may.
That's it. Kerangla tap you pay.
Ngala re ngala tep yure.
That's it. Yure or you. You can say both. Hagosunga here. You. Answer it first, not re. You. Ngala
Oh, yeah.
tap you. Like this.
Yeah.
Agosuma. Okay? That's it.
So Ray would be like identification.
That's it. You know this. Agosuma. Okay? That's it. Agosuma. Oh, you. Ngala tap you. Me. Ngala motorbike me. Like this. Agosuma.
Awesome.
Okay.
Awesome.
McGregor la in the McGregor la. McGregor la. Kerang la tap you pay. Oh. McGregor ki, I think he lost the internet. Yeah. And Claire la in the and Claire la. And Claire la. Kerang la tap you pay.
Nyala tep you.
That's it. Kerang la private jet you pay.
Nyala private jet me.
That's it. That's it. Pay up.
Mhm.
That's all. Yeah. Yakula some tujiche. Yeah. Seward la in the Seward la.
Really?
Seward la. Kerang la tap you pay.
You. Ngala tip you.
That's it. Kerang la key you pay. Key. Woo.
Me. Ngala ki me. Ngala ki me.
That's it. Ngala key me. That's how you answer. How goes on? That's it. Yakula some. Okay. That's it. Yeah, dene Nimala in the Nimala. Nimala. Kerang la tap you pay.
Ngala dep toksam you.
Talk some you pay. Nimala kerang la yak you pay.
Ngala yak me.
That's it. That's it. Yakula some. Tujiche. Kerang ki tokpola yak you pay. Nimala kerang ki tokpola yak you pay. Is it my internet or Lasu. Ade kerang ki tokpo la. Your friend la yak you repay. Agosuma. If has nge tokpo la yak you re. Or nge tokpo la yak you mare. Just like this. Agosuma. Okay? Tujiche. Nimala tujiche. Hola, so. Yeah, Nicolela in the Nicolela.
Laginla.
Nicolela, kerang la tap you pay.
Yo, nala dep yo.
Kerang la ki you pay.
Me, nala ki me.
Kerang ki tokpo la tap you repay.
Yore, ne drokpola dep yore.
That's it. Tujiche. Pay agosun. Agola song. Yeah, dene Nurmala in the Nurmala. Nurmala, kerang la tap you pay.
Nyala tep you.
Kerang ki tokmo la tap you repay.
Ni tokmo la tep you.
Ni kerang la shimi you pay. Shimi. Meow.
Me nyala shimi me.
That's it. Tujiche. Okay, that's it. McGregor la. You wanna try? McGregor ki internet yapo minduk.
Yep.
Okay. McGregor la kerang la tap you pay.
Ngala tep mangpu you.
That's it. Ngala tap mangpo you. If you wanna add many. Agosuma. Ngala tep mangpo yu. That's it.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I'm actually in a warehouse with about 1 million books.
Ale. Last. Agosuma. Ani inda. Kerang la Lamborghini yupe.
Ngala Lamborghini me.
That's it. May. That was maybe you are in doubt. May. Like
Not today. I don't know. Maybe in another life.
that's it. Very good. Hmm? Maybe you have a Lamborghini toy now. You can say it. I'm kidding. Agosuma. Okay. Hmm? That's it. Now we know. Okay. Then we can say nge thokpo la thep yuri, or kong la thep yuri, or Europe la thep yuri. Just like this. Agosuma. Today we clear this part. Agosuma. He has, I have, Europe has, like this. Okay? Hmm? That's it. That's it. Then we should know this also. Kerang kapar yu. Kathmandu la yu. Like this. Kerang ki thokpo kapar yuri. Nge thokpo Europe la yuri. Or Sogyu la yuri. Or Hong Kong la yuri. Or Thailand la yuri. Anything you wanna say. Agosuma, okay? That's it. Yakula song. Darala inda darala.
La.
Darala. Kerang la thep yupe.
Yo. Nga la tep mangpo yo.
That's it. Darala. Kerang la motor yupe. Motor.
What is motor?
No, car.
Oh,
Motor.
car. Okay.
Hmm?
Yo. Nga la motor yo.
Kerang la motorbike yupe.
Me. Nga la motorbike me.
That's it. That's how you answer. That's it. Yakula song. Pe yakula song. Agosuma, very good.
So,
Tujuche. And then, very good. I'm happy. Please, whether you show homework or not, do homework. Okay? Not many, just little bit. It will help you a lot. Agosuma. Okay? That's it. Pe yakula song. Okay.
And Sunda,
Yes, please.
about the homework, you were sharing this very long file with all the words that we could practice.
Yes.
I like to practice this, but it's difficult for me to check if I'm saying right or wrong. And then one point I thought, okay, maybe I'm doing right. And then I asked Yuri, and he said, oh no, it's not right. And then I'm a little bit confused if maybe there are some more rules that we don't know, or maybe I'm just forgetting the rules about suffix, prefix,
Okay. No problem.
or the category of the.
Yes. We will do it here. I will show you a little bit. It's important for all of us. Agosuma. Okay? Because it's been many days. So I will today show you how to read again a little bit. Agosuma. Okay? That's it. Let's do this. Yeah. Which one is it? I sent. Yes, it's important. Is it this one? I think this one, right? Right here. So single ones, I think we can read it. They are very easy. Go here. Ah, cha, la, cha, tak, cha. Like this. Okay? La, cha, tak, cha. Like this. Then ta, ra, tatak ta. La tatak ta. Similar, if you want to know if you are right or not, go to the Arapatsa organization or just type Arapatsa here. Then
Okay.
you will find this book. There is a recording also here. You can listen to it. Okay?
Let's see.
That's it. So here, mostly we forget how to read this. La tatak ta, sa tatak ta, la patak pa, sa patak pa, like this. They are easy. Here, ka ka kak, ka yata kya ka kyak, tha ka kak, like this. Okay, pa ka kak. I must tell you, some teachers read this prefix as thao. They just make this ao extra. But I am teaching you as a tha. Okay? Tha ka kak. But some teacher, they read thao ka kak, like this. It doesn't matter whether they say thao or tha, it's tha. So you should know whether they say thao or tha is same. Okay? Prefix. They only do this when they read prefix. For example, I say pa ka kak, but some teachers say pao ka kak, like this. It's depend on you which one is easier for you. Okay? That's it. Here.
Tenzin La, the second word is ka, and then yata ka is what?
Which one? This one?
In this, yeah, ka,
Ka
yata
kya.
ka,
Ka yata kya.
ka, kyak.
Kyak. That's
Kyak, right? Kyak. Okay, I wasn't sure whether I had the right pronunciation. Kyak. Okay.
That's it. Ka yata kya ka kyak. Like this. Tha ka kak. Like this. Pa ka kak. Pa ka yata kya ka kyak. Like this. Then you add some vowels. Kiku, shapchu, tenpo, naro. For example, pao or pa ka naruko tha ku. Like this. Pa. Yes, please.
Oh yeah, Tenzin La. Where in Arapatsana? I'm on the front page. I see, and then it's courses, and I don't know which course.
Okay,
to
I will
choose.
show you here. Okay. We go to a new tab. Type arapatsa.org. Okay, just like this. Press enter. Boom, shagalaka. We will see like this. If we don't type organization, it's also okay. We just type Arapatsa. 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 Then we press this boom like this. Then we have this logo here. This is the one. Okay. Then we press this. Then we have different courses here. Right now we are doing pre-A1. Okay, pre-A1 here. It's A0, pre-A1. Then we press on this. Boom, we have like this. Okay. Then we say view course like this. Okay. Then we here we have all this. You can do revision yourself. Right now I'm showing you 6.1 here. 6.5. This one. Okay. That's it. See here, like this.
Chiche.
Okay.
Chiche.
No problem. Okay. Then here, if you go to the first link, press it. That's it. Then you go a little bit down. You see here, next button. Just press this next button. That's it. See? Ah, ha, ah. 3 root letters. Then press next. Press next. Practice it. Okay? That's how you open the book. Okay? That's it. In this book, mostly you have to first look at yourself. Then when we come in the class, it is much easier for you. You have already looked at it, familiar. And then I teach. I also teach out of textbook. I know. I have taught this textbook many times. What is lacking, what is disturbing, what is confusing, what is good. Everything I know this because I use this many times. So sometimes I go off the textbook. I come back off the textbook, come back. Okay? That's it. So I suggest you to go in there, practice. Okay? That's it. Oh yeah, very good. There. Okay? Okay. Now you know how to open this textbook. Okay? Open it, practice it. You don't need to register. Just view course. Okay? That's it. Very good. Okay. That's it. Okay. Now today we learned Kerangla Tep Yupe. Kerangla Lamborghini Yupe. Kerangla Ki Yupe. Kerangla Shimi Yupe. Kerangla Kangpa Yupe. Kerangla Kur Yupe. Like this. How goes on? Kerangla Puku Yupe. Puku kid. Remember? Kerangla Puku Yupe. Like this. Then Kongla Tep Yurepe. Kongla Puku Yurepe. Kongla private jet Yurepe. Just like this. That's it. Now, till now, we have learned. Kerang suyin, kong sure, mo sure. Nga tenzinin, kong dramare, mo pemare. Like this. We know how to say this. Then we learned connection particle, ki, yi. Di sure, di ngere, di konki mare, di marki mare, tep di marki mare, tep di ngere, tep di siwat ki mare, tep di ngere. That's it. We learned this. Okay? In the form of identification, yin, re, reduk. Then we learned ye, re, duk. Kapar duk, gangla duk, okla duk, nangla duk, chilokla duk. Okay? Then kerangla, kapar yupe. Like this. And you say, ngala kapar yu. Like this. Okay? Then we can add numbers. Ngala kapar chick you, like this. Or if you have many, ngala kapar mangpo you, like this. Then we learned chick, ni, sum, shi, nga, truk, du, ge, gu, chu. Okay? Ngala kapar ni you, like this. Agosunga? Like this. So after the class, I will put some questions in the WhatsApp. Try to answer them. Try to also learn how to ask that question. Agosunga? Okay? That's it. Very good. Then we learned the question word katsu yesterday. Katsu. Okay? If you haven't come yesterday, katsu is the new question we learned. How many or how much? If you are asking the price, gormo katsure. That's it. We learned that. Gormo katsure. Gormo katsure. Gormo chik re. Gormo ni re. Gormo sum re. That's it. Or instead of gormo, you can say euro katsure. Dollar katsure. Yuan katsure. Ruble katsure. Like this. Okay?
Gormo means price.
Currency. It's simply currency. That's why you can get rid of gormo and just say euro katsure, dollar katsure, like this. Okay? That's it. Katsu is either how much or how many. Like this. Okay? That's it. Gormo katsure, gormo chik re, gormo katsure, gormo ni re, gormo katsure, gormo sum re. That's it. Shi re, nga re, truk re, like this.
And it means how much does it cost?
That's it. Just say how much. Keep it simple. How much? That's it. Katsure, how much? Katsure, how much? Okay?
Tenzin-la,
Yes, please.
may I answer mampo re? Gormo katsore, gormo mampo re. Is it correct?
Digimare. It's not correct. We don't say like this. We say Kong Chempore. That's more confusing if I write it down. For Nima, Kong Chempore, expensive re. Kong Chempore. That's it. Okay? Kong is the price. Okay? Like this. But right now, we focus on Gormo Katsure. Gormo Katsure. Gormo Chure. Gormo Ngare. Then we can also say Chashapkyu Chu. Cha Naruto Ta Tsu. Chutsu Katsure. Like this. What is the time? How much is time? How many is time? It simply means what is the time? Chutsu, time or hour, katsuri, chutsu katsuri. 하고 숭아 추추 가츠레 gormo 가츠레. That's like
So chucho is time, huh? Chucho,
time or hour.
hour. Okay. And if you want to reply, then say now. It's what? Almost 9 o'clock your time.
Okay, so here when you say gormo katsure, you
Mhm.
just say gormo gu re. If it's 9 rupees or $9, we say gormo gu re.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Okay, but when you are saying time, you have to add pa after the number. Okay, 추츠 구 pa re. 9 o'clock re. That's it.
Okay. Chuchu
추 구파 re.
gupa re. Okay.
Okay.
Gupa.
Just have
Gupa.
to
Yeah,
add
gupa is 9. Yes. What is 8? Ge?
8.
Ge.
Re. K 8.
Okay. Ge. Okay. Did you say?
That's it. Okay. That's it. We will practice again. No worries. We will practice again and then we will move on. Okay. We have to practice this little bit more. Here, you, re, du, yin, re, du. We have to practice this little bit more in a conversation. For the next class, I will create a conversation like I did previous class. Okay, like I did like here.
For Hakosong.
Conversation between Lamo and Tenzin. Tenzin ki karila pare. Rashi Delek, ma Tenzin yin, kerang su yin, ngal Lamo yin, kerang kane yin, ma kamne yin, kerang lhasa ne yin pe. La yin, ngal lhasa ne yin. Oh, kerang ki pala ki min karere. Ni pala ki min trashire. Kerang ki pala kapar yore. Ni pala lasala yore. Kerang ki gegen or kerang ki genla kapar yore. Ni genla kamla yore. Then kerang ki pama parents kapar yore. Like this. Ni pama kamla yore. Kerang ki achak sister. Kerang ki achak pöla yore pe. Like this. Ni achak pöla yore. Like this. That's conversation. Try to practice reading this. Okay?
Tenzin La,
Yes, please.
humble request about this Kanmol-ji. Maybe you make a record, audio record of this dialogue separately and put in our group.
Yes, I'll do that. It will take 2 minutes. I will send this. I will send recording also so that you can listen, you can practice your.
Thank you. You're a good artist. Thank you.
That's it. Very good. Okay.
Could you just, sorry to interrupt. Could you just say what gen means?
Genlak is the shortcut of Gegen, teacher. Gegen.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Dudechi.
With the respect. Gegen shortcut Genlak. Like this.
Okay. Thank you.
We will try to have conversation. So for that, we have to start practicing like this. Okay? That's it. So today I will send you some questions, try to answer them, and also this conversation and recording. Then you can practice like this. You can say, Tashi Delek, nga siwat yin, kerang su yin, like this. You can change this name. Then you can say, nga Denmark ne yin, kerang Lhasa ne yin pe, like this. Kerang ki pala ki min karere, like this. Kerang ki pala kapar yure, like this. Kerang ki genla kapar yure. Nge pama Denmark la yure. Kerang ki achak Denmark la yure pe. You can change it about yourself also. Practice it. Like this. Okay? That's it. Oh yeah. And then I showed you, if you want to practice how to read the words, I showed you arapatsa.org. Go there, open pre-A1, and then just practice reading them. There is sound in the textbook also. Okay? Oh yeah, very good. That's it, that's it. Keranki ame ming karire. Nge ame ming nail re. Like this. Try to read the sentence now. Keranki ame ming karire. Mostly I ask question. So you must practice also how to ask question, not only answer. That's why I will write this question. Practice reading it. Try to answer it. If you make mistake, very good. And I will correct it. No problem. Okay? That's it. Don't over practice. Don't overdo the homework to make you feel bored. Okay? Just do a little bit. If you feel like boring, close it. Do something else. Okay? That's it. So that's it for today. Tashi Delek, Tuji Che.
Tashi Dile, Tuju Che, Sawadika.
Thank you, everyone.
Yasu, Tuji Che.
Zalhapala Jalyong.
Jema Jeyon, Tuji Che. That's it. Oh yeah. Very happy. That's.